Make a great choice today with the 2017 Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche, and is priced below $105,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, sport suspension, air suspension, power brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.